In this video, we will see how to enable SSL for your WordPress site that is hosted on Bluehost. Bluehost has made this really easy so that we don't have to go through the trouble of generating and installing SSL certificates. To start with, we have to open up a web browser and go to the Bluehost site. Once you are in the Bluehost site, click on the login link. This will open up the login window where you will have to enter the domain name and password. Once you have entered the domain name and password, click on login. Now that you are logged into cPanel, click on the WordPress tools link. Then you will have to select the domain name for which you want to configure SSL from the drop-down. Once you have selected the required domain name, click on the security link. Now you simply have to click on the Let's Encrypt switch. That is it. Now you have successfully configured SSL for your website. Thanks.